Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now in this video I bring on another client's case study which is our done for you programs client. Now if you don't know what is our done for you program, so in this done for you program we do everything for the client. We do the product research, we find the products, we share 5 products every month with the client, we validate the product and launch it. Then we manage the advertising and make sure the product is ranked in the first page. We also share with them forecast sheets which tells every week by week breakdown on how much we are expecting. So we share estimated data based on how many daily sales we are expecting, what are the projections, like how when you have to do the orders, what are the costs associated. I'm going to share those sheet as well with you. Now let me just jump to the screen and share it with you the exact data. So let me just go to the business report so that I can show you the sales. Now let me go to the sales and traffic so that I can show you the sales. So let me do it month, last 3 months, then we'll do. Okay. So here you can see, if I just show you the product, so here you can see the first month we started, then it got 149 orders, 41,000 in rupees in sales. Then the second month it increased 190 units, 57,000 rupees in sales. Now this is the just 13 days in September, and they're doing 77 units in sales. So this is how this account is performing. You can see the metrics here as well. We have slowly started rising the price from the second month itself, and obviously with rise in prices the sales drops a little bit, but again comes back steady because with more ranking, with more reviews, it again comes back. So if I just go and show you the advertising how it looks like, it is not like they are spending really aggressive on ads, because their ads are, the ACOS is really normal. So let me share you the last 30 days data. So you can see, so here you can see the last 30 days data. The spend is around 7,000 rupees. The sales is around 28,000. ACOS is really good, around 25%. So this is how this account is performing. Obviously, we are not going very aggressive. You can see the spend. We are not going very aggressive as per the client's request. He's also working on reviews right now. His reviews is around 22. So we are really working on the reviews, and we until that we are not spending really aggressive on ads, which will start, and that should bring on more sales. Right now we are still at good number, good pace. We are soon going to achieve 10 sales a day mark. Right now the last month was 190 units. This month we are going to close because we have to increase the price, and the ACOS is also really normal right now. We will start going a little bit aggressive with the ranking, with advertising, as soon as we acquire more reviews. So this is about this account. So if you are willing to join our done for you program, obviously it is closed right now. We take 5 clients every 6 months. We will have a form attached at the bottom. If you are interested, you can join the waiting list. We'll reopen the seats and we'll inform you whenever it is open. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in next video.